Welcome. In this video I will show you how to control the hybrid zoom of your Hollyland VenusLiv Air camera. To control your camera's zoom, you can use either the camera itself or you can also use your smartphone if you need more precision. Now on your camera you just have to select shooting mode by going to select mode menu, then select for example shooting on SD card, and then you're gonna have to select the current zoom level, which for me is 1.0x. Now to make it more visible, I'm just gonna face the camera to something that we can see, and now let's stop the zoom level. And now using this scroll wheel we can adjust the zoom level up to 4.0x. So just swipe to the right to decrease the zoom or to the left to increase it. And on your smartphone we can do the same thing, basically just using the HoloCam application. You connect your camera and then go to camera control. Wait until the controls are loaded, and here we have basically the same this is very similar settings to our phone. So we can either select zoom level on this panel or we can adjust it manually by using the pinch gesture. So we can either pinch to zoom out or I'm not sure what this gesture is called, but we can pinch out to zoom out the camera. As you can see, it's much slower, so we get a much better precision using our smartphone. And basically that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.